Hello, this is WillingTDR. I am playing on Hypixel with TNT/Ethan.
Hello.
And we are trying out the Arena Brawl game type. Now, I would like to start this video with a formal apology to all YouTubers, because this is video take number 34, and honestly, I can understand. I am sorry for being really hard on you guys at times, and I understand why a lot of you don't upload very frequently, as well as making this stuff takes a lot of time because stuff doesn't work and the servers malfunction and the audio doesn't. It takes a lot of time to actually get this stuff to work right. And so I apologize if I am ever being too hard on any YouTuber, because honestly this stuff takes a lot of time, and I'm sorry. But continuing, what I want to do with these videos and over the summer is just upload a whole bunch of videos to my YouTube channel of PC gameplays, whether it be self-hosted or on a server or anything like that. And mainly the purpose of this is to give me a chance to sort of talk over some things and discuss where I'm planning on going with Lifeboat with you guys. You guys can be kept in the loop of what's happening and that sort of thing. So that's the purpose of these videos, is to serve as sort of a time to discuss things and offer explanations longer than 140 characters as to why I'm doing things. Which is part of which leads me to what happened with the whole Infinity thing. And there was a lot of confusion there over what actually happened, and I'm really sorry, but when you're on Twitter you can only tweet 140 character items, and that gets really annoying at times because you can't offer any details as to what the situation is. And so the problem is that when you can't offer any of those details, that there's often a lot of misunderstandings that can arise as a result. So people were thinking that I was shutting down Infinity altogether. That is not what I said, nor what I meant. What happened was, as a server owner, you really don't want to keep more servers than you need, because if you are keeping too many servers and having them all on, well, first of all, you're spreading out all the players over a really large area, so therefore the games aren't fun because you have a lot of players over a lot of different servers. You end up with something like 3 players per server, and that's just not fun for anyone. So just wrapping up with Infinity, I think that at this point it really is a playable game type, that there are 8 servers left, and of those 8 servers I did an update about a week ago that fixed a lot of the major bugs. Now, it did not fix all of them, it did not add factions, it did not have a lot of the features that you guys were looking for, but it did fix some of the more annoying things. For example, like being able to pay people negative coins, and the whole issue with the not logging in properly and taking forever to log in, the please wait loading. So if you're having any of those issues before, please give Infinity a try again, because I think that because those issues are fixed now, hopefully it'll be working better for you, and you should give it a try. As for what I'm going to be doing with Lifeboat in the future, now, it's not quite summer for me yet. I'm actually still in school, boohoo. But if you go to WillingTDR.com/done, it has a countdown of the number of days that I have till school ends. And really, school has been the major obstacle as for why I'm not Ethan Heel. As for why I'm not developing new game types at this point, is just because, honestly, with all the honest things that I'm doing and that sort of thing, it's just you don't have the time to develop new stuff when you're concentrating on school so much. So that's why I haven't been creating new game types or uploading things, that sort of thing. So apologies for that, but it's almost over, and so someday we will have more game types, I will record more things, and everything will be good again. More bug fixes, that sort of stuff. This summer I'd really like to, first of all, add those new maps that SuperiorCraft gave me, as well as the MC Creep. It's a really cool custom map that I'd like to use. So, new map for survival games, because honestly the old ones are getting pretty boring, so we want to add new maps. The second thing would be going to, we need new apps. That's going to be a very recent thing after summer ends, is we need to develop new apps. Now, MEU for iOS and Chris MC Mine are working on that right now. I drew up a spec, I did all the stuff, so hopefully you'll be seeing those within the next 2 weeks. I know that a lot of you are getting confused on the app layout and the whole registering process and logging in and all those things, and that will be fixed in the new app, as well as the iOS crashing on the upgrades page, that sort of thing. As well as just the app having a lot more features, things like being able to change your password or disable the VIP advantages right in the app, better leaderboards. It's just a better app altogether, and hopefully you'll be, okay, stop doing that. Hopefully you will be more impressed with that, and that'll work a lot better for you. It also fixes the whole stealing VIP thing, which is really annoying, and I wish you guys would stop doing that, but at least this update will prevent you from doing that, so, Anyway, enough on the apps. What you guys really want to hear about is the new game types that we're working on. So some of you know Connor4898. There is a server, skywars-pe.info. That is the a really good, really well put together Skywars server for Pocket Edition. Anyway, he is going to have his Skywars server assimilated into our Lifeboat team and become part of the team working on Skywars, in particular as a game type. So, and sorry, my nose is getting really clogged at this point. But, recording problems. So his Skywars server is going to be kind of part of our network, hopefully, within this next couple weeks here, and so you guys will be able to play Skywars. That'll be kind of fun. And I'm working together with Superior Craft to work to bring a very pure implementation of Skywars into Pocket Edition, collaborating with the map makers themselves to ensure that we honestly get the kind of experience with the kits and things like that that he wants. And so hopefully we'll be done with that soon as well. Let's see what else as far as game types go. As far as walls and Velodrome go now, this would not be an update video if I did not talk about 0.9.0. So, when that comes out, that will be fixing a whole bunch of the protocol issues, and that it has better chunk sending. So when you join the server, it will be loading the chunks a lot better, and I know that's an issue that all you have been having with being stuck in a brick wall and that sort of thing. So, yeah. That'll be great, and that'll be fixed in the next update. So, that's what you should be looking for 0.9.0 as far as the servers things go. Also, not having to generate a world only to write over it again. That is a lovely new feature of 0.9.0 that we'll be having in the next update. And then in 0.9.1, all the crafting and protocol issues are fixed. Now, around the same time as 0.9.0, the new Pocketmine version is coming out, Pocketmine Alpha 1.4. That'll fix a lot of the issues, such as not being able to pick up a whole bunch of items, that sort of thing. And at that point, servers will become more efficient, and I can do more stuff. So that's when I will relaunch the Walls and Velodrome, because I feel that survival is not really fun in multiplayer right now because of all the glitches with Pocketmine especially, and then 0.9.0 coming out, so I would like to really wait until that comes out before launching those game types again. But they're all already more or less done, and so once the 0.9.0 update comes out, I should be able to launch those fairly quickly. So if you're waiting on those, there you go. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this update video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this minigame. This is Hypixel's Arena Brawl, which is a unique game type. And so if you guys want to see me do more of these update videos, please like and subscribe and all that stuff. And if I get enough support, I'll of course be doing more of these over the course of the summer. So, thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next video.